my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. Today I want to show you my pattern update for Zoe Hat. Original Zoe I published 2 or 3 years ago, and I got a lot of comments from you guys, and you were asking for more kind of like a slouchy. There were comments that people would prefer to see more slouchy version of it, and the only way to do it was to actually completely rewrite the pattern and do a new chart, and it's exactly what I did. And here's the result. So I'm actually very happy the way it turned out, and I have to say I have a whole box of Zoe hats that went wrong and nobody should see. Nobody should ever see those hats, but that's the one I'm happy about, okay? So it's about almost 2 inches longer than original one, and so it's just got the right amount of slouchiness on the back, and I think it's simple, but at the same time really posh accessory. So and I went with this like a pink and black combination, and I love the shade of pink. It's like, it's not obnoxious, it's just beautiful and kind of soft, but it looks pretty dramatic with the black pom-pom. So let me tell you a little bit about the pattern itself. So the new pattern is 3 pages long, and it's got written instructions and a chart. So it's, you know, and you can always ask me a question on Reverly. So what I did, I used 1 hank of Moonshine in worsted weight by Juniper Moon Farms. I have to say, and I've said it before, this is still my favorite worsted weight yarn because it's so lush and beautiful, and it's a combination of alpaca, wool, and silk. So it's very soft, but it's got a lot of body and it's got a sheen all in one. You know, it's like it's just beautiful. So I love this yarn, and I do recommend this yarn for your project, and it comes in so many different colors that you can choose whatever speaks to you. So originally I actually went with a white pom-pom. So I really like this combination, but just in the morning of a photo shoot, I ran into a local store, yarn store, and I found the black one. Hope, you know, I was so lucky they had the black one there. So we decided to go with black. But let me show you, since I have it here. It's got a snap on the back. So I want to show you the crown. The crown is actually very pretty here. It's got like a 7-petal flower there, and it's kind of like, you know, the pom-pom covers it a lot, but you know, it's there in case if you don't want to use a pom-pom. It looks very good without it as well. Anyway, so 1 hank of Juniper Moon Farm Moonshine. You need a cable needle, and you need 16-inch long, and I always use Chiago, it's the only needles I use. 16-inch long in size 5 and size 7 US. So we start with size 5 and we do the ribbing in 5, and then we change and do on a 7 to the top, and then when your stitches cannot longer hold on a circular needle, switch to double points in US 7, and then, you know, close it up. So that's pretty much it. I have to, you know, just say that, you know, I would like to hear your comments and let me know what you think about the new version. I hope you like it. So the link, you know, all the links on Reverly and everything else below this video. Sign up for my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.